Welcome to the Klaviyo integration for Shopware. Integrate your Shopware store with Klaviyo for powerful email marketing. Easily connect your shop to automate marketing and track customer behavior. Let's take a look at the key features of the extension. Track when customers are active on your shop. Monitor when items are added to the cart. Track when customers start the checkout process. Record every completed checkout. Log every product purchased by your customers. Automatically export your product catalog to Klaviyo. Keep your Klaviyo product feed up to date with your shop inventory. Sync newsletter subscribers directly with Klaviyo lists. Grow your email audience effortlessly. Notify customers when products are back in stock. Enable double opt-in for back-in-stock alerts. Add privacy checkboxes and CAPTCHA for compliance. Sync your shop's coupons and promotions with Klaviyo. Automatically update coupon status in Klaviyo. Connect multiple sales channels with individual Klaviyo accounts. Send order status updates, fulfilled, canceled, and refunded orders. Sync historical data manually through the administration. Automatically via scheduled task. Respect customer privacy with GDPR-compliant tracking. Integrate with Shopware Cookie Consent Manager and several other third-party consent manager. Now let's move on to the setup and configuration of the extension. Install the Klaviyo integration extension from the Shopware store and activate the extension in your Shopware admin panel. Navigate to Extensions, My Extensions, SHOPSY Klaviyo integration. Open the configuration menu for the extension. Enter your Klaviyo public API and your private API key. To get your Klaviyo API keys, navigate to Settings, API Keys. The public API key is unique and can't be changed. Create a private API key. Set a name and select Full Access Key. Click on Create and set both keys in the plugin settings. Simply just copy and paste your private API key. Choose your preferred event tracking method, JavaScript or server-side. Configure GDPR and cookie consent settings. Enable or disable tracking for each event type. Track ordered products and placed orders. Include extra order data if needed. Track purchased, fulfilled, canceled, and refunded orders. A product export and dynamic product group are created automatically. To set up manually, create a dynamic product group for your catalog. Add a new sales channel for product comparison. Configure the export settings, XML format, UTF-8 encoding, and file name. Paste the provided Klaviyo product feed template. The template is available for copy and paste at shopsy.de. Copy the export URL and add it as a new source in Klaviyo. Verify field mapping and complete the feed setup. Enable back-in-stock notifications for customers. Activate double opt-in for extra security. Add a privacy checkbox for compliance. Integrate CAPTCHA for spam protection. Choose whether to match products by ID or product number. Make sure that the selected ID is used in the item ID field in the catalog in Klaviyo. Customer successfully registered in the storefront for back in stock. When a customer subscribed to back in stock, this event is viewable at the profile in Klaviyo. Make sure you deactivate the double opt-in function from Shopware. For newsletter registration, the standard Shopware form can be used with Klaviyo. After subscribing to the newsletter and confirming double opt-in, the customer is added to the Shopware newsletter list in Klaviyo. The double opt-in email is sent to the customer from Klaviyo. This is the standard design, which can be configured in Klaviyo. When a customer unsubscribes from the newsletter, the email address is also directly removed within the Klaviyo newsletter list. Update coupon status automatically using scheduled tasks or manually through the administration. Transfer the coupon manually via the detail view with just one click. It's also possible to transfer all active coupons via the coupon list to Klaviyo. In the listing, it's also possible to manually update all active coupons in Klaviyo. All coupons are listed under API coupons in Klaviyo. The ID and name of the coupons are also shown as well as the ones that are still available. If a coupon has been redeemed, this can be transmitted to Klaviyo using the Update button, or automatically with the scheduled task. The task SHOPSY Klaviyo Historical Orders Sync is currently inactive. It's possible to start the task here or through the button in the order listing. Now the task is scheduled and will run on next execution. It's also possible to instantly start the task through the console. PHP console scheduled task, run single SHOPSY Klaviyo Historical Orders Sync. This is recommended because it shows the status of how many orders have been processed. Please be aware that this takes a lot of time when syncing many orders, because the Klaviyo rate limit is kept in mind. For historical syncing, the states can be dynamically defined when the event should be fired to Klaviyo. Keep in mind that these settings are only for historical data. You can then see the events in the detail view of a profile. Also check the logs in the developer tools to see all requests made to the Klaviyo API. Check your Klaviyo dashboard to verify event tracking. You can send a test event to Klaviyo. In the configuration at the bottom you can find a button, Test API. In the detail view of a profile, every event that was triggered by a customer is listed. You can also see all detail data for any specific event. If you have any questions about the extension, please visit our website at shopsy.de/Klaviyo.